Serosa Automotive's journey, which began in Bursa in 2005, continues to create value for the automotive industry today. With 10,000 square meters of enclosed production space, a team of 240 specialists, and a strong manufacturing infrastructure. Some achievements don't emerge in a single day. They are shaped by years of accumulated knowledge, hard-won experience, and a passion for manufacturing. At the heart of our production center lie technology, engineering, and precision. A press fleet ranging from 80 to 1,250 tons. Cold sheet metal forming capacity up to 12 millimeters. High production capacity backed by a powerful press fleet. A modern welding line supported by robotic welding systems. With our high-precision manufacturing processes, we have production capability not only in standard steel, but also in aluminum welding applications. 2 fiber laser units and 5-axis laser cutting technology. Thanks to this powerful infrastructure, we ensure maximum accuracy and sustainable quality, even in complex geometries. We safeguard our manufacturing processes with precise measurement controls. From die design to final production, the entire process is carried out under Serosa's assurance, backed by a strong CNC infrastructure and a modern tool and die shop. Because for us, manufacturing is not just about producing parts. It means staying true to every dimension, controlling every detail, and approaching every project with the same sense of responsibility. This philosophy grows stronger every day through our zero-defect target, continuous improvement approach, and sustainable production culture. Because the manufacturing of the future is shaped not only by powerful machines, but by knowledge, experience, and people who believe in the same goal. Serosa Automotive, manufacturing powered by engineering. Trust that grows with quality.